In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to N8N. Whether you're aiming to automate your workflow, streamline your processes, or just experiment with integration capabilities, this guide will walk you through each essential step with clarity and ease. Let's get started. First things first, to effectively use the Calendly trigger node within N8N, we need to establish some credentials. This is a crucial step as it allows the two platforms to communicate securely and reliably. There are two primary authentication methods you can use for this setup, but today we are going to focus on using the API access token, also known as the personal access token. To begin, let's navigate to Calendly. Make your way to the Integrations and Apps section, which is conveniently located under your account settings. Next, you want to find the API and Webhooks tab. Here is where we can create our API access token. Look for the option to generate a token and click on it. This will give you a string of characters that serves as your unique key to access Calendly's API. Make sure to store this token securely, as it acts much like a password to your account. Now that you have your API access token, we need to head over to N8N to complete the integration process. Within N8N, you'll want to enter your credentials setup. There should be a section where you can input the token you just generated from Calendly. Paste your token into this section and save your settings. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your credentials. With the API access token in place, N8N can now utilize the Calendly trigger node to listen for specific events or actions that occur in your Calendly account. You're now primed to explore the various automation capabilities available within N8N using your new link to Calendly. Before we wrap up, let's go over a couple of extra tips to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's always a good idea to regularly monitor both your Calendly and N8N accounts to ensure that they're properly linked and that your credentials are up to date. Remember, tokens can be revoked or expire, so if you run into any issues, check if a new token needs to be generated. Also, consider using N8N's logging capabilities to track and review actions that have been triggered. This can be quite useful for troubleshooting and understanding the flow of your automation. There you have it. Connecting Calendly to N8N is straightforward once you know the steps and understand the authentication process necessary for seamless integration. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just someone curious about automation, connecting Calendly to N8N opens up a world of possibilities to streamline your scheduling tasks and enhance productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!